How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to make more horsepower and awesome turbo whistle for free. And it starts right now. Before we start the video, I just want to say that if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and hit the bell so you don't miss out on anything. And also don't forget to click the like button to show your support to the channel. Now, let's continue to the video. So here on my engine bay, I'm gonna try to take out this airbox. But first we have to unplug this connector here and this one too. Then we have to take the tube out of this grommet here, unclip all these clips here. I think it's 4 clips inside. Yeah, 4. And then we have to unscrew this clamp here. So it's easier to take out this connector with a pick tool instead of pressing the connector. Just use the pick tool. There you go. And this one we have to squeeze this and pull it out. See, with the pliers, it's easier to squeeze. Unclip this airbox. 4 clips. And with a flathead screwdriver, we have to undo this clamp here. Just loosen it. You don't need to take it all out. Make sure it's loose. And you have to take out this grommet here by pressing down and pulling it up. So now we can lift up the top portion of the airbox. Just wiggle it with that pipe there. There we go. So this is the top portion. So now we have to pull out the bottom part of the airbox. It's just held by this grommet here. Just have to pull it up, wiggle it until it comes up. My top one. Okay. So now we got the bottom part of the airbox. So this is the airbox. As you can see, I drilled some holes here on the side, the bottom. I didn't drill anything on the side of the engine, so I don't want any heat as much as possible going inside my intake. So the back side here, I didn't drill on the bottom part here, on the side here, and also on the side here, because this is the intake of the front of the engine. So how I did it is I just took the biggest drill bit I can find on my toolbox, connected to this power drill, and I just drilled all these holes here, all the holes here. I drilled all of that so I can have more air coming into the intake box. So by doing this, it mimics like an aftermarket intake. So I'm gonna use this for a while before I buy my my intake. But if you want free horsepower, you can use this with the standard air filter, the paper air filter, that the OEM air filter that goes with the car, or K&N air filter, because this K&N is high flow, so that's how you gain more power. But if you just want to use the standard OEM air filter, this thing still works. So if you still use the standard air filter, you still gain power from doing these holes here. because you got more air coming in, not only from this intake tube here, but you're also getting air from all the holes here. So if you're getting more air creates more power to your engine. You can really feel the difference. If you do this mod, you can really feel the difference on your acceleration. When you step on the gas, you feel that the pickup is a lot better and faster. But if you want to spend a little bit more, maybe spend $50 or $60, buy yourself a K&N air filter, a high flow K&N air filter. This will provide you better performance than the paper air filter. So you get the high flow air filter combined with the more intake holes on the airbox, gives you more power. So you can use this for a while before you buy the real air intake that you want to buy. At least with this one, it's only gonna cost you $60. And if you really don't want to spend money, you can just use the standard air filter that comes with the car. So you can also have cooler air inside your intake if you're gonna install one of these air scoop. That's the intake air scoop made by AFE. So this air scoop is directly connected to the airbox, so you get cooler air as you drive. So now it's time to listen to that awesome turbo whistle that's coming out from the intake airbox. Hope you like the video. Please click like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.